How to display only relevant variant images on Shopify. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to do so. So for example here, if we just click on this sample product red, I have three different variants here: rubber, metallic, and leather, and each one of them has different images here. So how do we only display the appropriate variant image without the rest of them? It's very simple. We just want to click on online store, go ahead and click on edit theme. And we simply just want to go ahead and click on the default product page, but I'm just going to go for the red one specifically, just so we can actually see it in action. And as you can see here, we have the rubber one selected. This is the image for the rubber one. I know it's not really relevant to rubber, but anyway. And we also have the other variants images. So how do we actually hide them? It's very simple. We just want to click on the arrow next to product information and click on product media. From here, we simply just want to scroll down until you find the option hide unselected variant media. And this is just going to hide all the different variants media. It's just going to keep the main images of the product and also the variants image, the specific one that is actually selected. So if you just click on metallic here, this is the only one that is going to show up, including the default product image, and the leather one is just going to be the same. And if it is turned off again, it's going to include every single image in here. So yeah, this is pretty much how to hide irrelevant variant media from your Shopify product page. So hopefully you found this video to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.